Let me show you how to take your artwork like this, upload it to Printful, and start selling it online. Once you set it up, it'll be passive and it'll sell forever. Here are my orders in the last few days using this exact same method. But wait, what if I'm not good at designing? You just gotta use Fiverr, go down to illustrations, and now just pick what kind of style of art you want to sell. Quick tip though, if you do outsource your work, try to find someone you can work long term with, because that'll keep your future designs consistent and stay on brand. Alright, now that I got a design, how do I do this? Alright, first you gotta create an account with Printful. Now pick a product you want your artworks on. For me, I'll be using poster paper for wall art. From there, you start your design. Now you just drag in your artwork. Once it's uploaded, you just go and click continue, create your title, and save. Now you need to sync your Printful to an online store. From the dashboard, you go to stores, and then choose your platform. Once that's synced, you just add in your titles and descriptions, and then just add in some photos to showcase your work. But wait, what if I'm not good at taking photos? Printful will help you generate these mockups in your own photos. And that's it. Every time you get a sale, Printful will handle the production and shipping for you. Now you just need to focus on getting your products in front of people's faces. Follow for more.